This is a short video showing you how to add widgets on your home screen if you have an iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Air. So it's very easy. First thing is to keep press with your finger where you see an empty space on your home screen. So over here there's nothing, there's no apps. I'll keep press until the icons start shaking. Then I'll press on Edit on the top left corner, Add Widget. And from here, it's up to you to browse and find the exact widget that you wish to put. There are so many of them. You can even use the bar over here to search if you want something specific. So once you have found a widget, let me look around. Let's say I want this one, battery. You can also swipe left and right, and you're going to have more choices, okay, different looks of this widget. Once you found the one you want, you're going to click on Add Widget and it will be added to the home screen. From here you can move it everywhere. You can even go on another page if you want. And some widgets you can also control the size. You can make them larger or smaller. Once you decided where it's supposed to go, so let's say over here, tap anywhere on the screen where there's no apps, or you can also press Done. And this is it. The widget has been added. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.